Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we explained the default transportation plan. In this video, we will explain Default General Seasonality. To access the General Seasonality page, go to the left-hand side menu, click Quotation, then Defaults, and select General Seasonality. Default seasonality is used to quickly apply season periods to manual quotations without creating them from scratch every time. Instead of defining season dates manually for each quotation, users can create reusable seasonality templates that can be imported whenever needed. These templates usually define different season types such as low season, high season, peak season, blackout dates, and any other season if needed. Each season type is defined with a from date and a to date, allowing the system to understand how the pricing periods are structured. Using default seasonality helps save time, ensures pricing consistency, and avoids manual date entry errors when preparing quotations. On the left-hand side, you will find the Search panel, which lists all saved seasonality templates. From here, you can open and edit any existing template if adjustments are needed. If you want to create a new seasonality template, click New. Then enter the seasonality template name, for example, Jordan Standard Seasonality. You may also add internal notes if needed. Then click Save. The system will automatically generate a serial number for this template. Now we can start defining the season periods. Click the green plus button to add a new season rule. First, select the season type, for example, low season. Then define the from date and to date. For example, from January 1st to February 28th. Then click Save. Repeat the same process to define other seasons. For example, you may add high season from March to May, peak season during busy travel months, or blackout dates when services are not available. Once all season periods are defined, the seasonality template is ready to be used. This template can later be applied inside the Quotation Module, when creating a manual quotation from the Seasonality tab. This completes the General Seasonality section. In the next video, we will continue with default inclusions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.